Michigan State gave me was a sense of diversity in opinion, diversity in race and ethnicity, a diversity in religion, diversity in politics. And in that milieu, I learned science, and I absorbed my own understanding of my role in the future of science. And that piece, which exposed me, a small town kid from Indiana, to this larger world, was a step that I've been able to take to larger cities and larger populations, to larger countries. And it's been enormously helpful to me. In the early 80s, I was fortunate to be at Washington University with some great colleagues. I had a background in viruses and in plant cell culture when I was at Michigan State. I always had the drive to try to develop methods to prevent viruses from causing disease. I learned how to develop genes that, when used in other plants, would allow that plant to be resistant to the virus that you're targeting. So our discovery was made with a certain virus in tomatoes, and it worked. We had disease-resistant tomatoes. It was really fun, and it was a great time in science. Many others from around the world, from China, from Poland, from Latin America, from Europe, from many states in the US, were able to repeat what I did. There's nothing more gratifying than to have other scientists repeat what you've done and validate your theories and your hypotheses. My biggest motivation has always been to try to help someone else achieve their goals more effectively, to make discoveries in science that were useful to people outside of university, to the public, including through agriculture and then later through food safety and nutrition, through advice and counsel that I've been able to give to nonprofits as well as profit-making organizations. The drive has always been to help to make the world a better place through contributions that I can make, however humble they might be. Perhaps it will make a difference to someone. And for me, it all began at Michigan State University. Spartans will be committed to leaving the world a better place